Hello level 1, this is your science unit and we are going to start new topic in our chapter. The name of the topic is weather. The name of the chapter is water, weather and wind. Level 1, we have different weathers: windy, rainy, sunny, snowy, and humans have to live with all types of weather. Okay, we enjoy all types of weather and we have to live with all types of weather. So take out your books, level 1 science books, and open page number 48. Okay level 1. Okay level 1, come on open page number 48, 48, and put your fingers. We are going to start new chapter, that is weather. So humans have to live with all types of weather. There are some things that are fun to do when it is hot. For example, we can swim, we can enjoy swimming when it is hot. There are some things that are fun to do when it is cold. For example, when it is cold, we can skate on ice. Then the third picture is there are some things that are fun to do when it is raining. For example, level 1, when it is raining, we can we can play outside. We enjoy playing in raining. And the fourth thing is there are some things that are fun to do when it's windy. So in the windy weather, what we like to do, we like to fly the kites. Okay, so these are different weather, and with the different weather we can enjoy weathers by doing different fun activities in these weathers. Okay, so there is a tip for us. The weatherman can tell today what the weather will be like the next day. He uses different tools to help him do this. Who is weatherman level 1? Weatherman is one who tell us about the weather, that tomorrow the weather is rainy or windy or a sunny day. And how he knows that? He knows that by a different tools. He took help from different tools to know the weather. Okay, now level 1, come on page number 49. On page number 49, what you have to do, level 1, there is an activity for us. Draw what you like to do on a sunny day. For example, you have to draw it what you like to do on a sunny day. So most of us like to drink juices on a sunny day, and we don't want to come out or play in a sunny day because it's too hot. So you have to draw something you like to do on a sunny day in this box. And the second box is draw what you like to do on a rainy day. Similarly, what you like to do on a rainy day, you have to draw in the second box. Okay level 1. So this is an activity for you. Level 1, so there is a picture for you for your help. I have drawn a picture of a sunny day. That what I like to do on a sunny day, I like to eat ice cream in a sunny day because ice cream is cold and I like to eat cold thing on a sunny day. Similarly, if you have to draw this picture, level 1, you may draw it. Okay, and similarly in the second question, you have to draw the activity you like to do on a rainy day. I hope you can do it level 1. It's a very easy activity. Okay, please do it. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.